Hi YouTube, this is week 2 for the Sweet Treat series. I have a fun tutorial to share with you guys today. Come see what I created. Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here today of week 2 for the Sweet Treats series that I'm doing. If you are new to my channel, this series is all about things that are sweet. So I am preparing to put together a sweet treat kit, and I'm taking you guys on the journey with me of some of the things I may be including in the kit. After this series, I will do the big reveal, and I will have 5 kits up for grabs for you to purchase. So that's what this series is all about. I had a really good response from my bee-themed kit a few months ago, and so I decided to do it again. And if you guys really liking this concept, I will continue on to do different kits for you guys. This kit will contain handmade as well as store-bought items in the kit. All right, so you have to keep watching. If you would like to join my YouTube family, please do so by hitting that subscribe button. Also hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video. And I love the likes, you guys. It helps my videos, so make sure you hit the like if you like the content of my videos and you like what you see. Hit that like button for me. Okay, so I'm going to share the tutorial. I had a subscriber that asked me to do a tutorial of the super duper cute yarn lollipops. So if you are interested in that tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to the end, and I will do a process video on how to make one for yourself if you like. Also, I'm going to share with you guys some buttons I made to go in my kit. So I used the button card. This is an oldie but goodie. I've had this in my stash for a very long time. I'm sure it's discontinued by now. But it also comes with the embossing folder, and it's by Sizzix. This is a Biggs die. But if you like this die with the embossing folder, I'm sure you can do a search on eBay as well as Mercari and see if someone has it for sale. So I used that, and I used 2 papers. I used the Sugar and Spice, and I used the Mente Forever Young. So those are the 2 papers I used for my buttons. And so let me share with you the first set. So I'm going to have 4 in each set, and I did a 5. So look at that. Those are so cute, of the yummy treats there, and then the candy on that one. You can see the buttons there. You can see it a lot better there. So that's the first one I did in that pretty mint color. And then here's another set right here in the pink. And you can see the yummy ice cream with the macaroons on top. And then I have the peppermint swirls on the other 2. And then I have another set right here of the buttons. You know, this came from the Forever Young. I just thought that was so cute. So that's one. And then this one. All right. And lastly, this one. And that's what I have to share. Now stay tuned for the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye. The supplies you would need is the Craft Floral Round Foam. It comes in 2 pieces, and you can pick this up from the Dollar Tree, and that's the size that I'm sharing. You'll need some straws. I prefer the heavy-duty straws, not the paper straws. This is just a personal preference. And then some yarn. I just used what I had in my stash. I've seen tutorials where the chunky yarn was used, but I didn't have that, so I just went with what I had in my stash. Next, you're going to make a hole in your floral foam in order to insert your straw. So that's what I'm sharing here. Next, you're going to start applying your yarn around your floral disc. And that's what I'm sharing here. So I'm just getting it started. You're going to just go in a round motion around the disc. And just keep going around. So it's very repetitious. This would be a great craft to do while watching television. One tip I would share with you is I like using the clear glue sticks because they are clear. And so it's a personal preference. So if you have the clear glue sticks, I would recommend that so that it won't show through as much. And make sure you don't use as much hot glue because if you use too much, it will burn through your phone. So this is my progress here. As you can see, you just keep going around and round and round in a circular motion around the disc of, your round disc. Make sure you wear your finger protectors for this craft to protect those fingers. You can see my progression here. It's coming along quite nicely. Now, if you have that chunky yarn, of course, this process will go a lot quicker because, it's larger. So you will be able to cover more surface of your disc a lot faster. But again, I just wanted to go with what I had in my stash. And you can see my progression here. Now I'm on the very edge. You want to cover that as well because you don't want any of the styrofoam showing. So that's what I'm doing here. And you can see my hole there. Make sure you do not cover your hole with the yarn because you're going to insert your straw later. You can see there I've made a lot of progression here, and here I'm just sharing how at the very edge to apply that yarn and prevent covering up your hole. And this is how it looks. Okay, so you can see here, I'm at the very end, and now I'm just going to cut my yarn. Now, if you want to cover the back, you can. I did not cover the back of mine because I'm using it for packaging, so you really won't see the back. So there's no need for me to cover it on the back. But if you want to do this craft and cover it on the back, please cover it. You're just going to do the same thing on the back side. Here, I'm going to insert the straw. I'm going to use a little bit of my hot glue. I want to make sure, the straw doesn't come out. So I'm just going to use a little hot glue. And just insert it where you place the hole. Isn't that cute? I love how it turned out. Now you can jazz it up a little bit, decorate it as you like. But I am a glitter girl, so I'm going to add some glitter. I use the spray adhesive. I'm going to spray it, as you can see that I'm doing here. I'm sorry I'm a little bit out of frame here, but you get the gist of what I'm doing here. And then apply your glitter. Make sure you tap off that excess. And voila, look how pretty. Now the little round on the back, if you kind of puncture the styrofoam on the back, I just use that for support. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.